Welcome to the Joy of Trucking. We are continuing along I-70 westbound through Utah, which is stunning and gorgeous, and a different rock formation around every corner. So please join us. Remember, if you want to ride with us in the future, to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. If you like this video, like right now, look at that view. You could give this a thumbs up. That helps the algorithm. And we now have Buy Me a Coffee if you want to support the channel. And also, if you decide to drive for CRETE, please do remember to use our referral code SLOKEV. All right, and that's exactly what we're doing. Very slow, climbing up this incline. Buckle up, let's go. Thanks for riding with us. And this video again, no music for the purist. Enjoy.
Going right through there.
Incredible. It's just so mind-blowingly gorgeous. Oh my
Crazy
God.
geology.
Oh my God, it's so gorgeous. The different colors, the layers. Oh my God, Mother Earth, jeez. look at this. It's just incredible. Oh my God. So beautiful. Oh. Wow. 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 And wow. Just incredible. Incredible.
Dragon viewing area.
What? Black Dragon View Area. Oh. Wow. Utah has it going on. Incredible. Woo! And then totally different. Ah, look at that. Wow. Wow. How's your snack? Delicious.
Sweet.
Sweet deliciousness. Nothing says banana like driving through Utah.
Yeah, Black Dragon, Utah, I-70.
Yeah, gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Unbelievably gorgeous. And the variety, it's just mind-blowing. Wow.
That was a long climb.
Yeah.
6% grade.
And what speed were you going?
30.
And what weight are you hauling?
43,000 pounds.
What elevation are we at? Do you know that
Now
too?
we're at 5,900, so we climbed about 1,500 feet there.
Wow.
Took a long time.
Wow. Beautiful, beautiful,
Yeah,
beautiful
I'd
ride.
like to come back here and camp out in the desert.
Yeah. And hardly any traffic. It's amazing.
Well, it all passed me. Then I got the road to myself. Everybody's way ahead.
That's how we like it.
Yeah. You guys just go on. Go on without me. Save yourself.
But save us a spot at the truck stop, please. Wow. These rides really do make up for some of the shenanigans, I will say.
Yeah, I like driving out west. Much better than driving
Careful now.
all the
Careful now.
cities and all that stuff. In the east, you can go like all day like this, just across the desert.
In the west.
In the west,
Yeah. Oh, gotta swing the camera. Excusez-moi. More incredible views over here. But, wow.
on 2,000 feet. Climbed.
In what 2,000 feet we've climbed? 2,000 feet we've climbed. In what distance?
Oh, I don't know the distance. The last 10, 15 minutes. Up and up and up. Look in your mirror, you can see behind us where we were. It's a long view.
And are we coming to the top? Is it going to be a long downward run as well? Or are we staying up on some mesa for a while? There's snow. And of course, you always wonder, what's over the next hill? What's around the next curve? Look at this sign. Hello, Utah. Speed limit 80 miles an hour.
Yeah.
What? What? Well, that looks stuck on. Can we take that serious? Is that an official piece of paper they stuck on there? Or is that some trucker wishful thinking? But officer, it said 80. That was some piece of paper stuck on. It was 60. What? That's funny. All right. Well, we hope you enjoyed that ride. I-70 heading west. Beautiful Utah. video a thumbs up and put your comments and questions below. What do you think? And it's interesting because it's a bit of a rainy, gray day. Makes it a very different experience. Rain in the desert. Anyway, yeah. Hey, give the video a thumbs up. Put your comments and questions below. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell if you want to keep riding with us. And with that, we wish you a great day with love from Kevin and Tanya.